Email phrases to apply for jobs online. What to include in your email application. Your full name and contact information. The reason why you are writing this email. The title of the job you are applying for. The qualifications that make you a good fit for this position. Your CV. Your cover letter. Recommendation letters if it's required or needed. How you will follow up with the HR. Subject line phrases. What you need to write in the subject line. You need to attract your recruiter's attention. For that, your subject line should be easy to be found by your employers. So, you need to specify the job title. For example, you write in the subject line, Job Application, Banker, Ali Saeed. What to write in the body of the email. In the body of the email, first you have to start to mention the name of the person who is going to receive your email. You say, Dear, and you mention the name of the person. If you don't know the name of the person, you just say, Dear Sir or Dear Madam. Then mention how you knew about the vacant new job. Sometimes they ask you, how did you hear about us? Introduce yourself after that. Then you begin to say, hope this email finds you well, or I hope you are doing well. Allow me to introduce myself, and then you introduce yourself. I'm reaching out about, and you tell what is it about. I hope you're having a great week, or you having a great weekend, something like that. Thanks for getting in touch. Thanks for a quick response if the person responded to you. Ending your email. How to end your email? You need to thank the person. I thank you for taking the time to read my email. I look forward to hearing from you soon. Please find the attachment below for my resume and cover letter. Then, before you end, you need to write like sincerely, best, kind regards, warm wishes, many thanks or thanks. Then you write your official name, your full name, not your nickname. Please practice.